Hi guys, so I hope all are doing well. So from today we are going to start the JavaScript, and today we are discussing about what is JavaScript, like introduction of JavaScript and how to declare the variable like that. Okay, so and then we are step by step we are going forward for we are discuss about the every JavaScript concept. Okay, we are going to upload the video uh, every JavaScript concept. Okay, so now we are open for MDN docs. Okay, you can go through these docs. I also share in the description. Okay, so JavaScript basically a dynamic programming language. This is the programming language. You can calculate any of these things, like any programming things you can do that. Okay, and also you can integrate to the, like, basically we are used for JavaScript, we are creating the web page. And also, okay, so this is a like a interpreter and single threaded dynamic language. Like in other programming language you can see that like Java or C, there is a static programming language. You can declare a variable. Like if I create a variable, like we are assigned is a number variable. Okay, we have to uh, declare the type. Okay, so but in JavaScript there are no like these type of things. Like you can like declare a variable with a number, and also you can same variable you can assign the a string or boolean value like that. Okay, so and all these things we are going to like see how to do that. So this is the like introduction of JavaScript, also. And then we are going to HTML or CSS, how to like integrate with the like web page, and how to create the web page with HTML and JavaScript. And also you can dynamically change your web page with the JavaScript. Okay, so this is the introduction, small introduction of JavaScript. So let's go how to declare the variable. And if I assign up any variable, any number or any string or boolean value like that. So let's get go to the coding part, how to do that. So for that we are going to use the VS code. So VS code basically uh, for developers, like write the code. Okay, you can use the any code editor like in market available in the yeah, code editor. Okay, so we are going to use the VS code like in upcoming video also. So here is create a folder. In this folder I creating the one file like index.js. If you want to create JavaScript file, so you have to write file name, and extension is .js. Okay, for JavaScript. Okay, so now we are going to create discuss about how to create variable. Okay, so in here before 2015. Okay, so JavaScript update, a new update of AS6, it's called like ES6 update. So before that we are uh, use the var keyword. Okay, so var. Okay, so this keyword for using like a declare variable. Okay, so and after ES6 2015 we are using the three type of like variable discussion, like var, late and const. Okay, so here we can declare variable with the var keyword. Okay, so and if I a equal to 10. Okay, so we can do that like that. Okay, do you declare the variable, type the uh, keyword like var, like declare when you declare the variable. And we can uh, variable like a variable name, and equal to whatever the initial value you can put it here. Okay, so another way is late, and you can declare your variable any name you, and then you can assign any value. Okay, so any string value, string or number, any according to you, you can put it here. Okay, so and and also another way to declare variable like const. Okay, so const is another way to declare a variable. So like if I want to put the variable name c, and then you can put like you can know that the boolean. Okay, boolean is a true or false value, truthy or false value. You can put just true and false. Okay, you can put it here like true. Okay, in JavaScript you can true, like this is the keyword, like t is small, everything is small. Okay, and also JavaScript are case sensitive. Okay, so whatever the keyword is defined already, so we have to must use this in your code. Okay, so you can't like a const like const c is capital, you can't do that. Okay, so you have to put like everything is defined, predefined, you have to do like and also if any of the variable like var, late and const, this is the predefined, this is already used in JavaScript, you can't use your own like const like that. Okay, this is already defined. So here we are declare variable there are three ways, like var, late and const. Okay, these three variables, when you are declare some difference over here, like var and late, we can say that the same things, but there is the some difference also. I will discuss after sometimes. And const basically there is the very const means is a constant. Okay, so if I like c is already assigned is true. Okay, so if I try to assign this another things like c equal to another variable or any string, another number or any string or any false. Okay, so if I put the false, okay, it will show uh, like we can't assign the new things. Okay, so if I see, okay, so here we are assign reassign like value is the firstly it initial value c is true, and then we are assign try to assign the like false. Okay, so boolean value false. So here it will not showing the error, but if I run this code, okay, so you can run like that. You have to install the node in your system. Okay, so for that run, you go to the terminal in your Java VS Code and write like node and space and whatever the like your file name. Okay, here is the my file name is index.js. So and hit enter. Okay, so it will it's showing that key assignment to constant variable, like this like showing the error. I trying to in constant variable in the another value, we can't do that in your JavaScript. Like where this is the constant, we can't like after initialize we can't like change this variable. Okay, this is the difference. And var and late, like here like where a equal to 10, we can reassign also. Okay, so we can create another variable with the name a. Okay, we can do that. Okay, like where a equal to 10. Okay, so it's like it's like it allowed to do that. Okay, but here is the late. Late if I define the with the same variable b, like late b equal to like 30. Okay, so it can't like we can't do that. Okay, so here it will show the can't redeclare block scope variable. So here is the like term is block scope, and this is the keyword. Okay, we are discuss about the another video, like also the sum of the difference. Here you like didn't understand if you uh, go through this in this video if I talk about this. So we'll talk about the another next video. Okay, so so there in this video we are discussing about the like how to declare the variable. These things like we can var, late and const, they are the things we can, you can like declare the variable with the yeah. Okay, so that's all these things like we are discuss we are share about with you. Okay, so yeah, so thank you very much.